Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Microsoft Edge and any lingering background processes in Task Manager. This prevents locked files. Once done, make sure your bookmarks are exported or sync is enabled so you don't lose data. You should also check your Windows version and recent updates because mismatched components can cause rendering problems. Now, open Settings Apps Microsoft Edge and choose Repair first. Repair preserves data, but refreshes core files to resolve many white screen causes. Next, clear cache, cookies, and site permissions from privacy settings to remove corrupted data that blocks page rendering. Then, disable all extensions and restart Edge to determine if an extension causes the white screen. Re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. If problem persists, run Edge with the Disable GPU command line flag to test if GPU acceleration is failing. While testing, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and that no security software is injecting scripts into web pages. For final steps, reset Edge settings to default or uninstall, then reinstall the browser to replace damaged program files. If the white screen remains, create a new Windows user profile and test Edge there. Profile corruption often explains persistent failures. Make sure to restore your favorites from backup or sign in to sync afterwards. If nothing fixes it, switch temporarily to an alternate browser and collect logs. Then report the problem to Microsoft with steps you tried. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.